Hello guys, this is the Mad Bros and today we're going to talk about Facebook fan subscriptions. Yes, that's what we're going to talk about. We are going to break it down into 4 steps. So first will be the eligibility criteria for fan subscription. Next will be how you would actually set it up. And number 3 will be about payouts, and number 4 will be the best practices that you should practice to get the maximum out of fan subscription in Facebook. So here we go. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria of Facebook fan subscription. First of all, you must be in from one of these countries. As you can see in my desktop, these are the countries here. I'll leave a link to the in the description of the video so that you can check it out. And this list keeps on getting updated from time to time. Second, you have to follow all the Facebook monetization standards, so you cannot breach any of those. And if you have already breached, then you won't be able to apply, but if you haven't, then you did not worry about anything. You also have to agree to the fan subscription creator terms, which you'll have to agree once you are like in the process of setting up the whole fan subscription thing in your dashboard. Then you must also, but most important thing, you must also have 10,000 followers or 250 plus returning viewers in the last 60 days. Also, you have to meet one of the criteria below. That either you should have 50,000 post engagements or 180,000 watch minutes. Okay, one of the two. So once you have met all these criteria, all you need to do is go to your Creator Studio and go to monetization, and then go to fan subscriptions. Yes. So once you are in this page, since I have already set up my fan subscription a long time back, so I cannot show you the exact screen that should appear here. So basically all you can see here, if you have not already set up and you are eligible, then you'll see a setup button. Once you click on that, there will be some generic forms where you will have to fill it in, like you have to put your address, your name, you have to add a bank account and stuff like that. And in one of the processes, at the very end, they will ask you for some government ID or a legal ID. If you are from India, then you have to put in your PAN card number. Yes, remember that you have to put in your PAN card number for that only if you are from India. And yeah, that's about it while setting it up. But as soon as you set it up, there are a few more things, like you can you can select a few benefits for that while setting it up. Like you can choose to have exclusive content, discounts, live videos, custom stickers, supporter only games, and you can also add a supporter group. Like I have this group called the Mad Bro Supporters. So once someone becomes a fan subscriber, a supporter of yours, then he will be automatically added to that group. For example, I have all my supporters in this group at this moment, and so on. So that's an automatic process handled by Facebook. You do not need to worry once you have created the group. Okay, so that's about that. So the best thing about payouts in from fan subscription is that you get 100% of the money. And the money, when you get it, it's around 30 days after the completion of the month, where you hit 100 USD. Suppose I hit 100 USD from fan subscription in January, so I should be technically getting that money in the first week of March. Yes, so 30 days plus from the month where you have hit the 100 USD mark, right? So that's when the payouts comes. Now let's talk about the best practices that you should follow to make the maximum out of fan subscription in Facebook. So the first and foremost thing you should do is that you should welcome your new supporters. I mean, you should welcome them really nicely. You should make it sure that they feel really welcome, and you should show that extra love to them, so that people understand, your viewers understand that you are being a little bit biased maybe towards your supporter, and you get the extra special treatment once you become a supporter. That would inspire them to become a supporter of yours, right? So there should be some incentive in that. You should also post frequently for supporters only, so those posts will be supporter only posts. And you can also create videos, polls, and so on. It can be a trifle thing or it can be a very big thing, but depends on you need to be very regular about that. You need to continuously engage with them. so that they do not feel left out and they feel special about it. And asking about help, so you have to be confident, ask your supporters to spread the word about your subscription and its exclusive benefits. You can also crowdsource things the audience wants you to see you do next, right? One more thing you can do is talk to them on live videos. Like if you go live with just your webcam, host a AMA session, maybe ask me anything session, maybe you can just interact with them. The point of this is that you go live with your normal streams every day, like your gameplay and stuff, but gameplay is one thing, but connecting to your supporters on a very intimate level is totally different. So in that case, you can give them something extra, like going live just to talk to them, nothing else. Just talk to them, ask about them, how they are doing, ask, let them know about your future plans and so on. Make that personal relationship with them, make that bond, so that they keeps on engaging with you and you keep on engaging with them, and you make a community of very strong and loyal supporters. So that's about that. You can also I was talking about posting about for your supporters only. So this is what you can do. So when you go to your page, you will see make a post option, right? Once you go there, you just scroll down and you'll see that you can make this post supporter only by selecting who should see this post, right? You can do this for posts, for pictures, photo posts, for video posts, or for even live videos. Okay, so this is you can do this from your page itself, and there is nothing it's very easy. You can also increase your number of supporters by creating supporter goals and associating a reward with it. For example, suppose you say, I will shave my head off, like a challenge, maybe just for fun. I'll shave my head off once I reach 100 supporters, right? If you make that claim and if you actually do it, then I think people will be like really excited. Okay, so this guy is going to shave his head off once he reaches 100 supporters. He is already at say 50 or 60 supporters. Let's subscribe to him just to see him shave his head. You can make it fun. You can make it fun at the same place. At the same time, you can gain more followers, more supporters as well. So that would be one engaging stuff and one fun stuff as well. This is just one example. You can make your own plans for that, right? Just what I mean to say is you can increase your supporter growth by setting some certain goals and maybe making it fun at the same time. You should also create polls very often for supporters only, and let them decide, let them help you out in figuring out in which direction you are trying to move, because these are the people who are actually supporting you financially, right? So I think they should have a say, and also this is an opportunity for you to make more engagements with them. There has been times where you feel like you cannot decide on a particular path, right? So let your viewers decide it, let your supporters decide it, let your paying members, the people who have put their full faith on you and are supporting you financially as well, let them decide it for you, let them have that opportunity. And you'll find it, from my personal experience, I found it very fruitful, because there are certain aspects which we cannot judge ourselves. We cannot always judge ourselves. It's very hard to judge yourself. There are certain things that maybe you think that you are doing wrong, but maybe that's particular thing is connecting to your supporters, right? And you do not know that, right? So you might be a poor judge about yourself. You can judge others, but you might be a very poor judge about yourself. So let the other people, let your supporters be your judge, and you can take help from them from time to time and deciding your next steps. Answer the supporter comments. Always go for keep this in like a priority list. Whenever there is a comment from a supporter, do not fail to answer that. Even if you are like in the hit of the battle, you're playing a game and you cannot really answer a question at the moment because your full focus is on the game, play the game, and once that moment is over, scroll back to that question, whatever your supporter asked you or whatever he commented, and read it back to him, so that he feels good that okay, this guy doesn't skip any of the comments from a supporter. These are small incentives that you can give on to your supporters and to other people as well, so that they will feel okay, so there is an incentive in becoming a supporter and they will feel like supporting you, right? So you have to make them feel special. Basically that was my first point. Anyways, you can also pin your supporter link. There is a link which you can find here, right here in your fan subscription section. Once you have set it up, this is the link for the first link. You can pin this link in your chat, in your live stream, and they will and ask people from time to time in your live stream to go to that link and become your supporter. So that will basically facilitate, that will make it easy for them. If they want to become a supporter, it will be easier for them to just to copy the URL or click on it and become a supporter instantly. There are other means as well, like in the chat box. If you're watching from a mobile, right, if in the chat box there is a star option on the right side, and on the even on the right side of the star there is a green icon of a supporter. He can just tap on it and become a supporter as well. One can also become a supporter by clicking on your supporter group and trying to join that group. Once he tries to join the group, he'll be prompted to become a supporter. So there are 3-4 ways easily with which they can become a supporter. One more thing that you can do to make that growth in the number of supporters you have is add a video, add a promotional video and a thank you video. There are two ways. There are 2 videos that you can upload. Once you have set up everything for your monetization, I mean for your fan subscription, go to that fan subscription section once again, and you can see here, right here on my screen, create promotional video and thank you video. So there are 2 videos which you can add by clicking on this button. So keep this, my tip would be keep this videos very short. Keep it below 60 seconds if you can, but it should not be like more than 60 seconds. You can go beyond 60, but it won't be nice. And there should be a thank you video as well, and the number one video should be like a promotional video. It should be like urging them to become your supporter. Let them know what are the benefits of becoming a supporter, how it will help you. Okay, that should be the contents of the promotional video. And the thank you video should be a normal thank you video, like how grateful you are that you have finally chosen to be my supporter and stuff like that. And keep the length of both these videos below 60 seconds if you can. And that what happens basically, this videos plays, suppose someone is watching your video, right, on a mobile or on desktop, doesn't matter, and he clicks on the supporter button because he is interested about like he wants to become, or he's just checking it out. So as soon as he taps on that become a supporter button on his screen, so that promotional video plays, your live stream doesn't show up anymore because he was watching your live stream. Like as soon as he taps on that button, this promotional video will play. So he'll, as soon as he sees that video, he'll like, okay, this creator is interacting with me and he's letting me know all the benefits. So since he was like, maybe he was like 50-50 about him, he was not like he has not totally made up his mind to become a supporter. He was just checking it out. As soon as that promotional video hits him, he will know more about you, he'll know more about the benefits, and most likely he will be like converted to a supporter, right? So again, once he sees the video and then clicks on that button and becomes a supporter, the other video, the next video that you have uploaded, the thank you video will play. So he'll feel good about it, like, okay, I just become a supporter and here is the thank you video, right? So it suits the whole narrative, and it's like it works. It actually works because I have seen people do that, and I have many supporters who told me about these videos. Like once I clicked on that and I saw that it was like really nice in Shanghai, so yeah, I got that. So it works. And on top of that, one of the very important feature or a benefit of a supporter is you can upload custom stickers for them. So right here I have already uploaded a lot of stickers, so I just click on edit the stickers. So see, I have this winner chicken dinner sticker, I've got rust sticker, overpowered OP sticker, hype sticker, headshot stickers, and GG, frag, fatality, and so many stickers. So basically you have to upload them in 3 dimensions. Suppose you want to make this winner sticker, you have made it, right? Now you have to upload it in a batch. Like you have to add 3 identical stickers of different dimensions. One should be 240 into 240, one should be 32 into 32, one should be 16 into 16. So you can get this stickers done and upload them. Suppose you are a cricket streamer, right? You play a lot of cricket, for example. So you can also upload a sticker of a sixer, a for maybe, a out maybe, and your supporters will be able to use these stickers during the live stream in the chat. So this will also inspire other people who are not supporters to see, okay, this guy is upload, like he's using the stickers but I cannot do it. He'll ask you why, and then you can answer him. If you become a supporter, you get this free custom stickers as well, right? So that would be another incentive for your supporters or some of your loyal viewers to be converted into supporters. So that will help as well. So that is it for now. If you have any doubt or if you have any queries, you can leave a comment and I'll try to answer it to the best of my capacity. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.